Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 4. Okimasu, get up or wake up. Nimasu, sleep or go to bed. Hatarakimasu, work. Yasumimasu, take a rest or take a holiday. Benkyoshimasu, study. Owarimasu, finish. Depato, department store. Genko, bank. Yobenkyoku, post office. Toshokan, library. Beijutsukan, art museum. Ema, now. G, o'clock. Fun or pun, minute. Han, half. Nanji, what time. Nanpun, what minute. Gozen, AM, morning. Gogo, PM, afternoon. Asa, morning. Hiro, daytime, noon. Ban, Yoro, night, evening. Ototoy, the day before yesterday. Kenu, yesterday. Kyu, today. Asta, tomorrow. Asate, the day after tomorrow. Kesa, this morning. Konban, this evening, tonight. Yasumi, rest, a holiday, a day off. Hiroyasumi, lunchtime. Mayasa, every morning. Maiban, every night. Mainichi, every day. Getsuyobi, Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Soyobi, Wednesday. Mokoyobi, Thursday. Kenyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Nanyobi, what day of the week? Bango, number. Nanban, what number? Kara, from. Made, up to, till. To, and, used to connect nouns. Sochira, your place. Taihen desu ne, that's tough, isn't it? Used when expressing sympathy. Eto, well, let me see. Onegai shimasu, please, ask for a favor. Kashikomarimashita, certainly. Otoya wa sino bango, the number being inquired about. New York, New York. Peking, Beijing. Rondon, London. Bangkok, Bangkok. Rosanzeros, Los Angeles. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. God bless!